Hello, welcome back. I painted some pieces last night and they dried amazing. I love working with my spinner because it just gets all the excess paint off. These dry quickly. There's thin layers. There's no bulky pieces. It's just beautiful. And look, it kept its shape. This is the one I didn't like so much. And I still kind of don't like it, but that's okay. I kind of have ideas that how to revive it. If not, I'll just paint over it. But that was the first one. Here's the second one. And this I'm super excited about because look, the alligator stayed. Look at right there. Tail, nose, mouth. And what I like about this, the silver is actually showing through a little bit better than how it did when it was wet. And you can see it better on this one. Yeah, can you see the silver versus the suede color? The silver kind of gets lost, but that's okay. The burgundy, which is amazing. This one, look at the layers. And I just love how non-chunky this is. No excess paint. Awesome. Oh, that was my cat out there. I'm very happy with these colors. This was a fun collaboration. Art Creations by Kim is the group we're in on Facebook. So come hang out with us if you like. If you want to paint with us, it's awesome. And I can't wait to go submit these. And I actually might be able to steal these sooner because the back is not heavy and it's dry. I mean, these are amazing. So now I gotta go take care of my cat. She's out my door. She's gonna storm in my room. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.